Good morning. I am S. Shankar, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Bhimgal, District Nizamabad, State Telangana. Today my topic is on crops. Crops. Inland fishing crops and features. Inland crops light and small with shallow draft. Majority are indigenous and on machines. Important crops rafts, dugouts, plank blade boats, flat bottom and round bottom, outrigger canoes, built up canoes, tin boats. Features shallow and protected fishing grounds near to landing centers. Comparative backwaters, reservoirs, rivers, lakes. Coracle dominant in South Indian reservoirs consist of a very large wide mouthed circular flat bottomed basket sides comparatively low. A hide structures outside and firmly treated to exclude water. Gillnets, shore senses, longless, operated, manned by two fishermen. Gills net are commonly done 4 to 5 nets operated from each coracle. Conspicuous in Tungabhadra, Mittur, Nagarjuna Sagar, AP reservoir. Dominant in South Indian reservoirs consist of very large wide mounted circular flat bottomed basket sides comparatively low. He had structures outside and firmly tried to exclude water. Gillnet shores since long lines operated manned by two fishermen. Gill nets are commonly done 4 to 5 nets operated from each coracle. Conspicuous in Tungabhadra and Mittur Nagarjuna Sagar AP reservoirs. Corals. Cloth with sealant tins. Empty kerosene sealed tins are improved to make plots. They are enclosed in gunny bags tied with planks roofs. Reservoirs of Maharashtra, Yaldri, Ujjani, AP, Hussain Sagar and Nagarjuna Sagar. Karnataka, Tungabhadra reservoirs. Empty kerosene sealed tents are improved to make flat. They are enclosed in gunny bags tied with planks roofs. Reservoirs of Maharashtra, AP, Nagarjuna Sagar, Karnataka, Tungabhadra reservoirs. Dried grass raft made out of dried grass in triangular shape. Cast nest and gills nest are operated used in Tungabhadra reservoirs. Made out of dried grass in triangular shape. Cast nest and gill nets are operated used in Tungabhadra reservoirs. Inflated rubber tubes. Inflated rubber tubes of motor vehicles used for fishing. Hussain Sagar Reservoir of AP Reservoir of Bhilwara district of Rajasthan. Inflated rubber tubes of motor vehicles used for fishing. Hussain Sagar Reservoir of AP Reservoir of Bhilwara district of Rajasthan. coracle plat with sealed tent, implanted rubber tubes, and catamarans and dried grass craft. Catamarans, now as Tipa, Nizam Sagar, Hussain Sagar of AP, Mettur, Mettur reservoirs and backwaters of Tamil Nadu, locally is called Kalatadi in Kerala, made of 3 to 5 logs, tied with coarse ropes, propulsion with split bamboo, oars and sails used in pairs to operated boats, scenes and individually to operated long lines and for cast netting. Navas, Tipa, Nizam Sagar and Hussain Sagar of AP, Meteor Reservoir, backwaters of Tamil Nadu. Locally is called Kalatandi in Kerala. Made of 3 to 5 logs, tied water core props, roofs, propulsions with split bamboo oars, sails used in pairs to operate boats, sails and individually to operate long lines and for cast nesting. Catamarans, Dunga, made of wood, as common in others reservoirs of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Ganga, Dunga, made of wood, as common in other rivers of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Ganga and Dunga. Sangi Dam, specially type of dugout is Kolleru Lake, AP. Two but sections of plums are hollowed out in one side in lashed together parallel but at a distance apart by bamboo poles, but hind being bulbous craft extremely wide on one side and other end is transcreated a narrow. Sangdams, specially type of dugout is Kolleru Lake. Two bird sections of plums are hollowed out in one side in lashed together parallel but at a distance apart by bamboo folds but and begin bulbous craft extremely wide on one side and other end is trunched a narrow wooden raft. Plantain stem, 5 to 6 plantain stem are twisted in termed fastened together wrapped wise by thin stalk square of food oblique at each end, used in reservoirs of Bihar and Tamil Nadu. Chitti raft, earthen fort raft seen in Bihar, earthen fort arranged in three rows in Tamil Nadu, earthen parts turned upside down and connected. Plantain stems, 5 to 6 plantain stems are twisted ends termed fastened together wrapped wise by thin stalks square of wood oblique at each end, used in reservoir of Bihar, Tamil Nadu. Earthen chitti propped earthen fort raft seen in Bihar, earthen parts arranged in three rows in Tamil Nadu, earthen parts turned upside down and connected. Flat bottom, ideal shape to maneuver shallow waters. My reservoirs of North Indian status. 5 to 6 logs made up locally available light wood tied by connected planks poles fastened by core ropes, propulsion by paddles used for hooks and line operation. Flat bottom, ideal shape to maneuvers, maneuvers, shallow waters, my reservoirs of North Indian states. 5 to 6 logs made of locally available light wood tied by connected planks, poles fastened by core ropes, propulsions by paddles used for hooks line operation, round bottom planks about boards, battery operated in reverse of WB used for operation in of draft nest, bag nest and deep nest in sea rivers and estuaries found suitable for mechanization. Battery operated in reservoirs rivers of WB used for operation of draft drift nest, bag nets and deep nest in sea rivers and estuaries found suitable for mechanization. Cart used for shore shine operating in ugly rivers, small latent soils used for operating however gear like shine net and bag net. Salty hollow oval in shape apparatus site nest in creeks, Orissa and Balasore. Candian Orissa WB to operate bag nest in creek, Orissa Balasore. Orissa WB operated bag nets since and drop nets seldom carrier soil. Makawa for operating large nest in estuarian water of Gujarat. For operating large nest in estuarian waters of Gujarat. Cart boat, battery boat, dinghy, constructed with planks, narrow typing bow and steam without kill reservoirs of WB, or operating gill nest to catch Hilsa. For operating gill nest to catch Hilsa, West Bengal, show dinghy, show dinghy, show shaped with wide flat forward sharp stream, strongly furrowed blow sections narrows greatly in the aft. Transom streams force part in is dicked as spray board. Stress by from aft dick. Special type of dugout in Kulleru Lake, AP. Shoe shaped with wide flat forward sharp streams strongly forward B bow section narrows greatly in the draft transom stern for part of the decked as spiry board stress by or oak from aft rig specially type of dugout in Kulleru Lake, AP. Canoes built bullet up canoes tin boats plank bullet boats in the shaping dugout clinker bullet cones fishing in Plunkett lakes and backwaters of Madras large size curval planked canoes popular in Chika Lake iron nails clinched in iron washer used to fasten planks. Planks blitz boats in the shape of dugout, clinkers, bullet canoes, fishing in Pulicat lakes, backwaters of Madras. Large size several plankets, cannons popular in Silica Lake, iron nails clinched on iron washer used to fasten blankets. Tin boats made out to tin reservoir of UP, Bihar and Rajasthan provide with flat bottom. Dugout canoes commonly used for inshore marine operation in Karnataka and Kerala. Made by scoping out matter, material from single large trunk of trees like any mango purposely by sails and paddles. No rudders used stringy by big paddles on quarter sides. Small and medium dugout seats used for gillnets and lines. Similar type by smaller ones used in reservoir of TN, Bihar, Manipur and Tripura. Dugout canoes commonly used for inshore marine operations in Karnataka and Kerala. Made by scoping out material from single large trunk of trees like any mango purpose propulsions by sails and paddles. No rudders used stringly by bag paddles on quarter sides. Small and medium dugouts used for gillnets and lines. Similar type but smaller ones used in reservoirs of TN, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. Plank bullet Tona Valam bullet with planks in the shape of a dugout. Wooden planks swing with chorus roofers. A layers of planks pitch applied inside to make craft watertight. Paddles for propulsions. Occasionally, sails are used to operate seines and gills nets. Outrigger canoes used in Wheeler River near Port Nova in TN, usually small dugout fitted with outrigger flat boomed but out by means of two pulleys at a distance from the canoe used for operation of cast nest, mast and sail and not used in Wheeler rivers near Fort Nova in TN, usually small dugout fitted with outrigger flat boomed out by means of two pulleys at the distance from the canoe used for operations of cast nest, mast and sails not used. Bag nets. In bag nets, the fishers center voluntary and are caught by filtering by they are kept open vertically by totally of partially formed mouth and horizontally by the current. Scoop net. These are small bag nets operated by hand and are moved through the water. The fishes are caught by scooping action. There are variously shaped. They have almost round frame. In bag next the fishes enter voluntary and are caught by filtering. They are kept open vertically by a totally or partially formed mouth and horizontally by the current. These are small bag nets operated by hands and moved through the water. The fish are caught by scooping action. They are variously shaped. They have almost round form. Scoop net, cast nets and gill nets. Cast nets. There are cast over the area where fish are suspected to be found, then gathered and lifted to collect the fish. This is one of the most common gears used. They are cast over the area where fish are suspected to be found, then gathered and lifted to collection the fish. This is one of the most common gears used. Gill nets. It's one of the most suitable fishing catch methods which is being widely used. The fishes are caught by gilling. Its best method from the conservation and stock regulations point of view. It's a passive fishing method and can be operated even from the most primitive fishing crafts. It's one of the most suitable fishing catch methods which is being widely used. The fishes are caught by gilling. Its best methods from the conservation and stock regulations point of view. It is a passive fishing method and can be operated even from the most primitive fishing crafts. Cast nest, gill nest, drift gill nest. This nest drift along with the current and the wind. There is no anchor. They can be used in any layer of water. During operations, one end is tied to a boat and the other end carries a makers below the helping the location of the net. These nets drift along with the current and the winds. There is no anchor. They have been used any layer of water. During operation, one end is tied to a boat and the other end carries a marker below the help of in the location of the nest. CNS. The manner of capture is to surround an area of water with a long net with or without a bag at the center. Two long ropes are tied to the ends of the net which help of the hurling the fish as well as the howling. The gears is weighted over the area with both ends fixed to a point on the shore or in a vehicles since which are operated from a boat or is called boat scenes. The manner of captures is to surround an area of water with a long net with or without a bag at the center. Two long ropes are tied to the ends of the net which would helping hurling the fish as well as the hauling. The gears is towed over the area with both ends fixed to a point on the shore on a vehicles since with are operated from a boat are called boat sense. Left nets. The methods of captures in left nets in by is by lifting the gear submerged at the required depth either by hand or mechanically from the shore from a boat. And line lefts. Small left nets are operated with hands with on fixed installations mostly used to catch crabs. The method of capture life nest by lifting the gears submerged at the required depth, either by hands up mechanically from the shore or from a boat. Hand left nets. Small left nets are operated with hands with no fixed installations, mostly used to catch crabs. Mechanized left nets. Larger left nets, mostly mechanized installations situated along the shore. Chinese left nest operated along the Kerala backwater is a famous example of mechanized left nest. Drag nest. This group includes active gears, which are to wade through water, and manners of the capture is by filtration. The nest air either operated through the boat of in shallow waters. It usually made of an ebowling long iron frame with an attached bagnets. It's mostly used to collect fishes. This group includes active gears, which are tweeted toward through water, and manner of their capture is by filtration. The nest are either operated through a boat or in shallow water. It is usually made of an oblong iron frame with an attached bagnets. It's mostly used to collect shellfishes. Hook and line. Fishes are larged by edible or artificial bites, are large or lures, which stimulates the appearance and movement of the natural prey, and are finally held by the hook on sign on the bite or lure. The hook is connected to line or snood. The fish is also held by piercing action of hooks or gigs. Traps. Traps are massive fishing gears with enclosures to which the fishes are lured, or guided, and from which the escape is made difficult to by means of labyrinths or retarding device like funnels or constructions. Parts are cages or baskets made from materials like wood, wickers, metals, rods, wire nettings, and reinforced plastic designed to catch fish. Crustaceans by encasing them with beds or shelter spaces. They are usually set on the bottom singly or in series by ropes and position marked by buoys. Traps are passive fishing gears with enclosures to which the fishes are lodged or guided, and from which the escape is made difficult by means of labyrinths or retarding device like funnels or constructions. Parts are cages or baskets made of from materials like wood, wickers, materials, rods, wire netting, and reinforced plastic designed to catch fish. Crustacean by encasing them with bites or shelter space. They have they are usually set on the bottom singly or in series by ropes and position marked by buoys. Travelers. Travels is a conical nest consisting mainly of two panels, upper and lower panels. The Belly is wide and at the mouth and narrow towards the code end. Traveling has been attempted by only in two reservoirs in India, Gandhi Sagar and Herkud. Single bottom boat bottom traveler, two boat bottom travelers, two boat mid-water traveler has been used. Travels is a conical nest connect, consisting mainly of two panels, upper and lower panel. The belly is wide at the mouth and narrow towards the code end. Traveling has been attempted by only in into reservoir in India. Gandhi Sagar and Harikud. Single boat bottom travelers, two boat bottom travelers, two boat midwater travelers has been used. Fishing crafts are most essential for catching the fish large scale in water bodies. A large variety of crafts boats have been designated from marine and inland fishing in India. Crafts are provides platform from fishing operation carrying the crew. There are various type of crafts used in different parts depending upon the nature of water bodies, the age of fish and their species. Some nests are used without craft, however others used with the help of crafts. Generally locally made crafts might be non-mechanized or mechanized. Inland waters and marine waters. Inland waters. Thermocol boat, coracle, fiberglass boat, plank bullet boat, hoddy boat, canoe, raft rubber tube platform. Marine water non-mechanical boats, catamarans, dugout canoes, plank bulletin cones, masula boats, dinghy, outrigger canoes, bullet up boats, mechanized boats, hand line boats, pole hand line fishing vessels, traveling vessels, Dalnators, Gillnators, Steam Travelers. Land water crafts. India is blessed with hug and untapped fishery potential. It has 29 lakhs kilometers of reservoirs, 29,000 kilometers of reservoir, 0.3 million hectares of estuarian of 0.19 million hectares of backwaters and lagoons, 3.15 million hectares of reservoir and 0.0 million hectares of flood-plained wetland and 0.72 hectares of upland lakes. Thermocol boats. The thermocol raft is used to capture fish in rivers. This is made up to three thermocol species tied together and used only for laying and hauling the fish's gears such as the gill net, cast net and angling. Coracles are normally used throughout the rivers. The modified version of coracles is fabricated with galvanized plates. Internal diameters range between 2 to 3 meters with an inner depth of about 0.5 meters. It is also versatile craft used for laying and lifting of nets besides navigation and transport of fish and other materials. Weight of the corals range from Corals range from 10 to 15 kgs usually to fishermen out fishing from coracle like other canoes oars are used for propulsion. Fiberglass boat. It is the most common fishing craft employed in different stretches stretches of the river. The fishing boat length range from 3 or 5 meters with a breadth breadth of 1 to 1.5 meters. Plank bullet boats. This is the most advanced fishing craft used in the region. These spindle-shaped boats are constructed by joining planks of good quality timber both with iron nails. The boat is painted with coral tar to make giant leg proof and extend the life of boat. This boat vary in shape and size and depends on it is being operated. Hody boats. Those who do fishing in rivers for larger size fishes mainly use this. Typically, this kind of boat is operated by two fisheries and primarily owned by full-time fishermen in rivers. Canoe. It is made by hollowing out of a single palm tree of varying size of 6 to 10 meters long at 2 feet wide. One end of this is bulbous and wide and the other's end is narrow. It is properly or by or wraps four large pieces of bamboo and place the in the bottom them the shorter one on top to from a square. The long pieces will be extended from each side up by 4 feet and act as stabilizing pontoons. Everything trigger together tightly with rope a flat bottom craft for plotting or drifting on water. Rubber tube platform. Inflated tubes of motor vehicles are used in the Godavari in Maharashtra for fishing purpose. A wooden platform 1 sequence meter area is placed over the rubber tube and tied tightly with rope. It is mostly used in Takari station for hooks and lines of operations and also sitting and hauling of gill nets. The MTR ordinary plastic cans are also used. Marine watercrafts. Indian Heavy coast line of 8,129 kilometers and it is spread over 9 maritime states and 4 unions territories following are the major gears used for capture fisheries non-mechanical boats. The categories of fishing crafts types common under non-mechanized for catamarans, dog canoes, plank bullet cones, masula boats, bullet up boats. Catamaran, the simple type of fishing craft has few several logs of wood joined together forming a kind floating craft such as the one used along the east coast of India. Four types of catamarans are prevalent in India waters namely are Orissa type, Andhra type, Coromandel type and Kanyakumari type. Dugout canoes, a simple type of craft for fishing within short distance for the coast, is a small sized canoes made by scooping large logs of wood in the palms of boat. The Odams, Thionins, Vanches, etc. of the southeast and southwest coasts of India come under this category. In calm waters, oars might be enough for propulsions, but if winds and current prevail, sails might be used. Plank bullet cones. This is an enlarged variety of dugout cans made of planks on the sides, largely used in Kerala. Masala boats. It is the made of non-raised planks seen together with coarse roofs and the common along Andhra coast. Dinghy. This is several type of boats designed and constructed for a variety of purposes including fishing. Outrigger canoes. Sometimes planks, bullet cannons might be provided with a single outrigger as in the Rampani boats used for capturing mackerel in Karnataka. Bullet up boats. In most of the boats made up at present, the several type of boats of bullet up the planks. The best type of bullet of boats is seen in center along the northeast coast of India. Mechanized boats with the advantage of mechanizing of the fishing craft, small and medium sized boats 10 to 15-meter long are constructed with engines operating by oil for wintering the distant coastal area in search of fishing grounds. The mechanized crafts are line boats, trap boats, dolnators, gillneters, traveler. Handline boats. Handline boats can be operated both in the shallow and deeper waters. In India, the gears usually consist of a few meters of monofilaments of 0.5 mm to 1 mm diameter to the end of which it's attached to a hood. They are used to catch all kinds of demersal fish from motorized as well as small mechanized vehicle. Thank you. Thank you.